Pro tips for my WhatsApp group and community. All the tips, tricks, and hacks that I learned from other rideshare drivers, I will be sharing them with you in this playlist. WhatsApp wisdom from our rideshare community, tips, tricks, and hacks. Next, I'm going to show you my WhatsApp screen, one by one, every single message from today, so you can see what it's like being a part of a community. Now, not only do we talk about our earnings, but we also show where the surges are, where it's hot, where it's cold, and once in a while, you know, Uncle Uber will crack a joke in there or share a message about, like today, United Slaves of America. I posted it in the WhatsApp community first. Let me show you. All right, we're gonna start from today. It is August 20th. It's a Tuesday. The first message was from Jerry. He came back from vacation at 5 o'clock in the morning. I basically said, hey, welcome back from your honeymoon. Bring us some good luck because the algorithm is PMSing. I told you, we crack jokes. At least I think it's funny. Next, we got a message from Greg, one of the newest members in the WhatsApp community. Let's get this San Diego money, and I'll tell you why in a second. Mark said, happy Tuesday, amigos. He actually used to drive Uber. He stopped, and later on you're going to find out why he stopped driving Uber and what he's doing right now, and a great asset for you guys if you're a part of the community. Okay, now we're going to continue. Okay, who's in San Diego queue with me this morning? Okay, so this is basically Greg, who normally drives in Orange County. He ended up in San Diego. After that, you can see over here I posted a post that I put. Actually, let me show you on the on the YouTube channel. So if you click on the community tab, which is right here on YouTube, you can see what I posted right here. So it says United Slaves of America, Modern Slavery and Gig Economy. You can read the whole post. Hey, I like my own post, you know. We got to do that. I need every like I can get. But I posted it here, and before I posted it, it is right here in the WhatsApp group, just so I can get some feedback from the guys. Right here, Dan is basically showing us, look, it's hot in Orange County, and he's basically saying school is back. This is around 7:46 in the morning. Okay, I said nice, it's surging a little in Ontario also. So we let each other know, hey, I'm in Ontario, it's surging. Orange County, it's surging. And then someone else will let us know about San Diego and Los Angeles County. Right here, Mark is basically leaving a very good comment based on the post that I posted, right? It gives me feedback too. Good advice, start preparing for a new job. Career now. There's many opportunities that don't require any type of degree. That said, I'm glad I got when I did. I started slow, but I'm already seeing a lot of growth in my new path. Remember, the only one that can make it happen is a person looking back at you in the mirror. Basically, he's telling us, hey, he got out of Uber, he's doing something else. You guys should have a backup plan too. Question is, are you going to make money or make excuses? Okay. Then Chris is actually asking him right over here, did you get your insurance license online? If so, can you share some resources? Mark is saying, absolutely, I can help with that, no problem. Now the details. The course is done online. It's 32 hours. Then you'll take the online exam on a PC, laptop from your home, or a dedicated site. I did it from home. So basically he's letting us know, hey, if you want to get into the insurance industry, let me know. I'll tell you what course to pass and how to become an insurance agent. Okay, we'll pass on some of the other stuff. Chris got back to me also on the post that I did about United Slaves of America. So true. I try to stay grateful and positive that we get to make money transporting high-ass hookers from Mexico. I told you, man, it's funny. We're always cracking jokes in here, okay? Then Chris is basically showing, hey, check it out. This is what's going on in Orange County near where he lives in Aliso Viejo. It's surging everywhere, right? This lets us know if we got a ride out to Orange County, it's worth it today because it's surging. Earlier you saw that Dan already explained to us that in Orange County by John Wayne Airport where he's at, it was already surging. And this guy's name is Sergio, okay? And Sergio is like, it's all great for me, bro, in Los Angeles, right? If you look right here, this is why you don't want to drive in LA. If you're part of our group, you will know exactly what part of California is hot, and then if you get a ride in that direction, you want to go. Jamie is saying, today is better. Today has been ass in Los Angeles, right? Like, you know what an ass is, right? Hopefully you guys know what an ass is, right? Sergio is like, I agree, it's slow in the morning. So what can we learn from this? I didn't go to Los Angeles. If I got a ride out to Orange County, I would have taken it. But I didn't get a ride out to Orange County. So let me show you where I'm at right now. So look, if you look over here, Uber X is 11 out of 15, 11 out of 15 on comfort, 1 out of 5 at Ontario Airport, because I know around 10 o'clock, there's 7 flights coming in. I came in early so I can work on my video. Waste no time, my friends. And if you look over here, $58 in 4 trips already. It's a Tuesday. If I can get to 150 and stay local, I'll go home. And we're working on YouTube videos. Okay, now let's continue. How's San Diego? You can see Chris is asking because yesterday Frank showed us he made 60 bucks on one ride. He made $80 another ride. Ben is from San Diego. He was showing us cash tips like, hey, somebody gave me a $25, $30 cash tip. So this is why we're asking, if San Diego's hot, then we're going to drive out there if we get a ride from John Wayne Airport. By the way, John Wayne Airport is how you get out there. So Greg, who drives in Orange County, is already in San Diego, and now he's getting back to us. He's saying waiting in 5-man queue, meaning the queue is low in San Diego right now. And if you look at the map right here, you can literally see where he's at. There's a little bit of surge in San Diego, but Frank will come in and tell us a little bit more. But he's right there waiting, and you can see down here 1 out of 5 in Uber Comfort. Here you go. Frank is already driving in San Diego, and he's showing us the map. And he's giving us some more information. He's saying this is the earnings trend. So earnings trend right now, he's letting us know, like, yeah, it's good, but look, it's going to die off around 12. There's no way for me to see this information out here from Ontario or in Orange County. But when Frank shares it with us, we know if it's hot or cold or if it's worth going out to San Diego. Now, Frank uses a different app. And over here, you can see he's showing us like, hey, CBX Airport is 1 out of 5. That's where he's at. And for him, San Diego queue is showing 11 out of 15, and he's not even at the airport. This is good news because if he gets a ride from CBX near the border to San Diego, Greg already told us it's 5 people ahead of him, so it's the right move early in the morning. You already know I'm at Ontario Airport waiting, right? Next. Okay, there's some more demand stuff. Okay, I basically shared my screenshot with people and I said, hey, look, I'm at $58. I'm in Ontario, but don't come to Ontario. I'm basically getting lucky out here, okay? And then lastly, you can see down here, Chris is letting us know, made that mistake once, never again. Now, let me show you something else. Now, in order to be a part of our community, it's very simple. You're going to go to my YouTube channel. It's right here, RightXServe, right? You're going to click on the join, and I'm going to show you what you get once you join, right? You can definitely play the intro, and it'll give you access to what I'm doing. So if you join at a silver level membership right here, which is $2.99, it basically gives you access to all the longer videos. If you look right here, this video is 45 minutes long. This video is 47 minutes long. Normally when I post a video on YouTube, it's just 10, 11 minutes of a preview. But the long video with in-depth analysis and my strategies are $2.99. That's just one soda or one coffee you can pass on, right? But the YouTube community is down here. If you click on the gold membership, it is $9.99, right? And it basically gives you access to social media, which you get into the WhatsApp group. And that's it, my friends. This video is over. Capiche? Okay, I said the video was over, but I remembered something. I want to show you some other stuff because I want to get some other people in here. So this is a comment from yesterday. Right here, Dan is asking like, hey, where do you get these rides? Let me show you the ride he's talking about. Now, the ride he's talking about is right here where Chris showed us, look, I just got a $40 tip, right? When Dan asked him, like, hey, how do you get that? He said, hey, I was at LAX. I got a ride from LAX to John Wayne Airport. I was already going home, and then I did some customer service. Basically, Chris went above and beyond for the passenger. He took him to his car. He just had to drop him at the terminal. He's like, no, where's your car parked? Let me take you there. And because he went above and beyond, the customer ended up giving him a $40 tip. On top of that, Chris is somebody that I've been talking to for less than a month. Look, he's already making good money. He made $360 in 3 trips yesterday. And Chris and I, dude, we chat all day, right? I wish him well in the morning. And here you go. If you look right here, he added everything up for us. On the 3 trips, he ended up making $360. That's on a Monday. That's the highest anyone's made from yesterday. And this is from yesterday. I was telling you earlier where Frank was teaching us how San Diego market is. If you click right here, you can literally see he was making $61 he made on a 2-hour, on a 2-hour ride. Look, $61. He's making $29 an hour. And then the details are here, exactly where he picked up and we dropped off the passenger. On top of that, if we go back, he got another ride yesterday. Look at this one, right? On this one, he's showing us, look, I got a ride for $80, right? 2 hours and 25 minutes. Yes, it's 108 miles, but by the time the customer gives him a tip, look, if in 2 rides you can make your money, go home. You don't need to keep driving. Look at what Uber's showing me right now, $4.61 in the background. I'm working, dude. I don't waste any time. And if you look over here, 6 out of 10. Now, you do understand that Uber is going to give you Uber X rides no matter what. That's the way the algorithm is. Even though if you look over here, even though if you look over here, I drive Uber XL, I drive Uber Comfort, but Uber's always going to try to push this. But you have to be aware right now. At 10 o'clock, 7 flights are coming in, and you have to be patient in order to get at least a $20, $30 ride out on Tuesday. You don't want to move for $4. Let me show you one last tip. This is why you stick around till the end of the video. Now, I want you to pay attention to this ride, okay? If you look over here, it was supposed to pay me $12, right? But I ended up getting $16. Now, this is a pro tip. If you look right here, normally between 7 to 9 in the morning, in certain times, you can make more money. The reason why I got more was, look at the path that I took. This path is 16 miles to drop off the customer. The way Uber wanted me to drive was through the streets like this, right? And drop this person off. The ride at that point was supposed to be $12. The customer's like, hey, can you take the freeway? It's faster. I was like, no problem, right? And money-wise is not bad. Look, 28 minutes for $16. That's not bad on a Tuesday, but hopefully you got the lesson that I'm telling you here. Sometimes between 7 to 9 in the morning, if you take a little bit longer, the mileage, you end up making $1 a mile because the algorithm doesn't know. It just, I don't know how to explain it to you, but this is the kind of stuff that we talk about. Now, there's other stuff in the WhatsApp community that can't I show you because we just share it with each other. If I post it on YouTube, they end up changing the algorithm and we lose those tips, tricks, and hacks. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and I look forward to meeting you in the YouTube community and the WhatsApp community. Become a YouTube member, become a WhatsApp community member. 14 of us, 9 members on YouTube. Learn to drive smart.